Okay, I know we only had a few days to research these. Some of you might have looked further ahead, but this is called FloorPlan, and it's specifically for designing floor plans. And floor plans are just what they sound like. It's how to draw a floor plan of what a house would look like or a room. And so this is kind of a simplified app if you don't want to bust out AutoCAD or pay for the licensing for AutoCAD. This is a completely free app, and you can sketch out extremely well thought out floor plans fairly easily. You can even see here I've messed some up and overlapped, and you can just easily undo them and make your room. I'm just going with a normal rectangle here, and you can see I'm struggling with it a little. It'd be a little easier with a stylus or on an iPad. I'm doing it on my phone, but it's, like I said, it's free, and it does everything you would need it to do if you're just kind of rough sketching a floor plan before you put it in CAD. You can see I'm putting in doorways. It has pre-made objects for me to put into the drawings, which is very nice, so you don't have to draw them all out on your AutoCAD library or make your own library. So we can go ahead and, let's just say we want to put in stairs here in this corner. They have those already built in to where you don't have to sit there and draw every single line to the object. Is it as in-depth as AutoCAD, and you're not getting your exact measurements, but the more you play around with it, there's more you can do. We can build a little bathroom right here, you see, in the corner of the building, or whatever this is going to be, shop. But this is very nice. We're always looking for ways to beat licensing fees, because they're expensive. You can name it and save it. Here I'm just going to cancel that because I'll go into more later with it. And yeah, this is very nice. Basic floor plan drawing app.